Go from this to this with this. The first thing you'll need to do is head on over to heatpressnation.com and click on Custom Transfers. Find the HPN TruePrint Sublimation Custom Heat Transfers. Pick the size you need and then click Build Design Sheet to open our online designer. From there, you could upload your artwork, arrange your gang sheet, and then place your order. If you don't already have blank sublimation mugs, don't forget to add those to your order as well. In just a few days, you'll have a professionally printed sublimation transfer sheet delivered right to your door. And here's how you press it onto your blank mug. Set your mug press to 385 degrees for 190 seconds with medium pressure. To prep your mug, trim a printed transfer off the master sheet, keeping a tight, even border around your image. Center it to the face of your mug, keeping the edges equidistant from the handle. Secure the transfer in place with special heat tape. Place your mug in the press, making sure the body is centered to the heating element and handle is centered in between the mounting bars, then close the press. Once the timer reaches 0, open the press and carefully remove the mug, placing it somewhere safe to cool. After a few minutes, peel the transfer to reveal your beautiful customization. And there you go, it really is that easy to have a professionally made, fully custom coffee mug that's ready to gift, sell, or use yourself. And this process is completely scalable. You can order a small transfer sheet like I did, or get a huge gang sheet to print hundreds of mugs for all of your customers' orders. And the more you order, the lower your cost per print will be, meaning more money in your pocket. And this is perfect if you want to start making money with sublimation, but you're not quite ready to make the investment in a sublimation printing system. I absolutely love that the only piece of equipment you need to make custom coffee mugs is a mug press. And at Heat Press Nation, we have the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA. We also have all of the equipment and supplies you need to start printing with sublimation, direct-to-film, heat transfer vinyl, and more. Get your printing business started today at heatpressnation.com.